Hey everyone, in today's video we will be going through the AT&T mobile hotspot and I'm going to explain the plans, the coverage and the device available in 2026. So first of all, let's understand what an AT&T hotspot does. So an AT&T hotspot allows your phone or a hotspot device to share the internet with nearby devices using the cellular network. For example, you can connect your laptops, tablets, gaming consoles, and smart TVs to the hotspot, just like a normal Wi-Fi network. The hotspot connects to the AT&T wireless network and then broadcasts a Wi-Fi signal that other devices can use. Now, many AT&T smartphone plans already include the mobile hotspot data. The amount of hotspot data depends on the plan that you choose. Basic unlimited plans usually include a small hotspot allowance, while the higher tier plans offer more hotspot data and faster speeds. AT&T also offers the data-only plans, which designed for the hotspot devices. So these plans are useful if you want internet for the laptops, tablets, or multiple devices without relying on your phone. There are two main ways to use an AT&T hotspot. First, you can use your smartphone's built-in hotspot feature, which allows your phone to act like a Wi-Fi router. Second, you can use a dedicated portable hotspot device such as AT&T Turbo Hotspot 2. These devices are built specifically for sharing the internet and usually support more connected devices and longer battery life. So AT&T hotspot services run on the AT&T's cellular network, including 4G VoLTE and 5G coverage. So the performance will depend on the signal strength, the network congestion, and your location. In the areas with the strong coverage, hotspot speeds are usually fast enough for streaming, browsing, video calls, and remote work. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.